So the process to change your name on Rednote app is quite easy and simple. Just go and tap on this Rednote app, open up. Once you are inside here, make sure that you are logged in. Once here, just go and tap on this person icon at the right bottom corner. Tap on this person icon. This opens up your profile. Now in the profile, you have followers and following, and at the right side you can see edit profile. Tap on edit profile. Now at the top you have a name. Tap on this. Some of the cases your name might be in review, so you have to wait a bit. Otherwise, if it is not in review, you could just go and tap on this, open it up, and change the name, and tap on save at the bottom, and your name will be changed. For now, my name I cannot change it because it's under review, but in most of the cases, you could change your name. Hopefully, this video has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.